My name's Lauren. I'm the director here at the Water Conservation Garden. Do you ever wonder where your water comes from? I mean, in San Diego, we know water comes from the ocean, but do you ever wonder where your fresh water comes from? San Diego gets around 14 inches of water per year. 20% comes from local sources. Spring Valley, La Mesa, which used to be named La Mesa Springs, and the Sweetwater Reservoir in Bonita all have natural local water sources. They fluctuate depending on weather and climate. Lake Murray and Lake Jennings store water imported from very far away. But the Santee Lakes are filled with recycled water, which doesn't depend on weather. Water districts in San Diego are building new facilities and buildings, so hopefully by 2027, about 30% of our water will be dependable even in times of drought. But you know what that means? 80% of our water is currently imported from hundreds of miles away. So what can you do to save water and become an Earth hero? For starters, you can turn off the tap while you wash your hands. You can turn off the water while you brush your teeth, and when you wash the dishes, maybe fill them up in a bowl and use that water. And you can always take shorter showers. You can fix leaky pipes and hoses to save water too. If you have a yard, try watering your plants early in the morning. You can also use some of the cool ideas and plants you see here at the Water Conservation Garden to help save water at home.